How to use Snapchat for business. After mastering the basic, beginner-level skills, incorporate these steps for effective Snapchat marketing. Let your audience know you're on Snapchat. If Snapchat is a new addition for your business, the first step is to let your audience know you're here. Since the platform is significantly different from Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you'll need to try some new techniques to get more Snapchat followers. There are a few different ways to spread the news. Cross-promote your Snapchat username. If you have gained a loyal following on other social media platforms, let those users know you're on Snapchat. Schedule posts on Facebook. Or schedule tweets that let people know you're on the scene. Share your profile link. Snapchat lets you share a unique profile link to connect your customers to your brand. To get your link, navigate to your profile, then click on your snap code on the left side. This will bring up a menu of ways to share your profile. Click Share My Profile link and copy the link or share it immediately to another social account. Create a custom snap code. A snap code is a badge that people can scan using their phone or tablet. Scanning this helps Snapchatters find you easily and quickly and gives your brand added recognition. It works much like a QR code. Snap codes also let users find your brand's unique filters, lenses, and content. To create a snap code, click on the settings icon in the top right-hand corner when in your business's Snapchat account. Select snap codes from the drop-down. Choose Create Snap Code and add your URL. In the same spot, you'll also see that you can create another snap codes and connect with other users via their snap codes. For example, taking a photo of Teen Vogue's snap code will direct a user to their Snapchat content. The snap code will collect under Scan History or scan from camera roll in your snap code settings. Add the snap code or URL to your marketing materials. This includes your website, your email signature, your newsletter, and more. Know that a snap code doesn't have to be viewed on a screen to work. You can add your business's snap code to marketing merchandise as well. Snapchatters can use their device to find you on Snapchat even if they can scan your code from a t-shirt, a tote bag, or a business card. Have an effective marketing strategy in place. Snapchat might not be a fit for every brand. As mentioned earlier, Snapchat is used mostly by individuals under the age of 35 and is known for being a playful platform. But if that sounds right for your brand, have a clear social media strategy in place before creating your account. Know who your audience is and track Snapchat metrics. Use Snapchat Insights, the built-in analytics tool, to see who is viewing your content, understand what content is performing well, and drive a Snapchat strategy that works. You'll be able to track important metrics that will help your Snapchat business strategy, like views. See how many star views your brand gets per week and per month. Also see how much time users spend viewing your stories. Reach. See how many Snapchatters your content reaches each day. Swipe through the carousel and also see the average view time and star view percentage. Demographic information. Understand the age of your audience, where in the world they're based, and information related to their interests and lifestyle. Interact with other users on Snapchat. On Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, brands' content is mixed in with posts from users, friends, and family. This isn't the case on Snapchat. Here, content from friends and content from brands or content creators is separated. Because of this split-screen design, you'll need to engage to maintain a presence. Engage in the platform by viewing snaps and stories created by others, following other Snapchatters, collaborating with brands or creators, viewing any snaps sent to you, respond to snaps and instant messages sent to you. Plan to create content regularly. Use Snapchat's many features to create engaging content. Snaps are designed to disappear, but there is a lot you can do to elevate a simple image or video to make it engaging. To help your content stand out from other brands' content in Snapchat's Discover section, make use of the following features. Draw over a snap. Write captions over snaps. Collect multiple snaps to tell a narrative. Add information like the date, location time, or temperature. Add background music to snaps. Incorporate polling. Add a snapshot filter. Add snapshot lens. For example, publishers like National Geographic create stories by compiling snaps to share information like one of their articles would. Their stories also encourage Snapchatters to click through to the website to read more once the story is complete. Make the most of sponsored AR lenses. Snapchat's artificial reality, or AR lenses, change the way users experience the world. Design a sponsored geofilter. Geofilters are a simple overlay for a snap. They are available to users within a specific area and for a specific amount of time. A filter could include the addition of an emoji or a design sticker, include location information, or change the color of a snap, as well as using filters that already exist on the platform. Advertise on Snapchat using its various ad formats. To make the most of using Snapchat for business, you might want to plan to incorporate its various advertising formats into your strategy. The numerous ad formats available include Snap ads, collection ads, story ads, dynamic ads, as well as raising awareness of your brand and its products. Investing in these different ad formats can drive users to your website and encourage purchases. Target ads to a specific audience. With a Snapchat business account, you can set specific filters so your ads will reach specific audiences. This can help you reach Snapchatters who are already interacting with your brand, but it can also help you reach a new audience. Use AR shopping lenses. Snapchat recently made it possible for users to buy products directly from your snaps. New shopping lenses let you tag products with your content, so users can easily browse, interact, and purchase directly from your catalog. Snaps in 3D. Another exciting Snapchat feature is the 3D camera mode. This feature makes your snap come alive by giving it that additional dimension. When users wiggle their phones, they experience that 3D effect. This could be a useful feature for brands, showing off new products or to show more sides to a product than a traditional photo can. Custom landmarkers. One of Snapchat's most recent features is the addition of custom landmarkers. These AR lenses allow users to build location-based lenses that only work in specific area. For brands, custom landmarkers let you build a location-based lens at your store, pop-up, or any spot that means something to you and your fans. This gives your audience added incentive to visit you and see your special lens. Bitmoji branded outfits. Ever wanted to trade closets with your Bitmoji? Then this is a feature for you. Brands across the world are getting excited about the new Snapchat business feature, Bitmoji outfits. This quirky integration lets your Bitmoji wear clothes from globally recognized brands, including Ralph Lauren, Jordans, Converse, and yes, even Crocs. What's more, Snapchatters can also share their favorite Bitmoji outfit with a friend. Outfit sharing. Navigate to your Snapchat profile and tap your avatar. This will open your customization menu. From there, click Share Outfit. Choose the friend you want to share with, and you're done. Make it easy for users to contact your business. Snapchat now offers Swipe Up to Call and Swipe Up to Text features for Snapchat business users in the US. Make it easy for users to contact your business. Now that you know how to promote your products, it's time to make the most of this platform for marketing your business. Start snapping!